Now I know what you guys think about RGB power supplies, and in some sense I totally agree with you, but if you're having let's say a chassis that has a possibility for visualization of the power supply, and if you're going with the whole RGB design, well, it doesn't have to be RGB madness, but you can go with single color or static or whatever. It's all up to you, of course. But why not use the power supply to show you some details of your PC or in general power supply? So today we're going to talk about Cooler Master XG850 Plus Platinum, and this one is really something special. So we're going to start with regular stuff. It's 80 plus Platinum certified. It's fully modular, and the cool thing about these cables in general are that they are slim, and I'll get to the part later on. But the most interesting part, it has the RGB fan and it has the RGB panel right here. It needs to be connected to your motherboard, not just with power, but also with, this is some sort of a micro CM power supply. Okay, this is just an indication which side goes to your power supply. It's 4-pin connection, and then it goes to USB 2.0 directly on your motherboard. So in those terms, what you get with this power supply isn't just visual aspect. You get more information about it. But of course, inside the chassis of the power supply, it's not only a digital screen, it's not only RGB fan. There are more stuff that you might find interesting when we're talking about in general quality. So in those terms, of course, I can't do a review, a proper review of the power supply. It's going to be more, well, definitely like an overview. Quickly, some features. We have Intel ATX 12V version 2.53, 80 plus Platinum certified, quiet, addressable RGB 135mm silent fan. I mean, I don't know why they stated quiet and silent in the same sentence, but it's kind of obvious. Built-in information display panel. Now we're getting something. Full modular cabling with 100% Japanese inline capacitors and 10-year warranty, which is really appreciated when we're talking about power supplies. But lately, I don't know if I had a dead power supply. I don't think I had. So, XG Plus Platinum is the first Cooler Master in-house design power supply, providing next level efficiency, rigid design and sturdy performance, which is definitely needed for whatever you're doing, basically gaming or workflow. You do need high performance in terms of power delivery as well. So this product line in general debuts the first generation of their power supply platform, which is created, of course, in-house, and this platform allows Cooler Master to offer an entirely new class of high-efficiency products. They use 100% Japanese capacitors, which allow this power supply to deliver without utmost performance. Now, with the digital display, and you have to download their software, of course, quite logical. I mean, you can't do anything without software specifically on this type of product. But you have to download their software, Master Plus, and you get an option to display some digital stuff, well, digital information on it. The display can monitor real-time performance data, showing fan speed of the power supply, temperature of the power supply, and power load, which is outstanding. But you can also customize addressable RGB lights, which kind of makes sense. You don't want to have it in white because your whole team is in black and red. You want to have it in red. Quite logical. It's just up to you guys. I mean, this is something that I'm giving an idea. So it's created and designed for performance, stability, reliability, and lifespan. I mean, I don't think anybody would give a 10-year warranty on a product that they can't actually. I mean, it's kind of funny, but yeah, it's something there. We're having the full bridge LLC resonant converter and DC to DC technology. And with the 100% Japanese capacitors, all of them combined offer this power supply a reliable and stable voltage outputs for safer and quite stable performance. What I wanted to mention about the cables in general. Now, as per usual, not everybody has the budget, additional budget, to go with custom sleeved cables, because you can go for extenders that are around $30, 30 euros, or you can go with a bit more expensive ones, 70, or you can go just to go crazy and complete custom sleeved cables from the power supply to your motherboard or any other component, regardless of that. So if you're not in that segment where you want to go that route, these cables are quite nice, and I'm saying this because of two reasons. They are flat, so you could really nicely cable manage them, And I know some of you guys might not like flat cables, but when we take into consideration rerouting them at the back side of the case and giving you an option to nicely place them in a flat position, for instance, two 8-pin EPS cables, that's a good example. And flexibility. So check this out. They're really flexible, so you can really nicely hide them. So for instance, the most visible one is, apart from the GPU, is 24-pin. You can bend it as such. You don't have any additional zip ties here holding the, what's it called, the rubber part that is melted here to actually keep the isolation and cables together and similar stuff. It doesn't have literally anything, just a clean cable rerouted with the wires from the power supply to your component, and that's outstanding. They're really nicely designed. I'm really digging. I think I had a couple of power supplies similar to these that had same cables, same design, and I'm always rooting for these, without a doubt. When we're going in a PC building experience and you want to still have a clean PC in general without any custom sleeved cables, you go with the power supply that has these. That's it. So the software that I mentioned was Master Plus, and it provides us to the ability to monitor just about every aspect of the XG Plus Platinum in general and in real time. So as I stated, you can check out the temperature, fan speed, system load, and that's it. Because when you take a look at, as you can see, it has the RGB fan right here, but here you have, okay, the XG850 Cooler Master logo, and then with the icons on the right side, you have the power consumption, then you have the fan speed. It's currently running on 720 RPMs, which is solid and quiet. And then we have the thermals. It's currently showing 28 because I moved it from the table. Let's be honest, it was lying flat on the table. And of course, the consumption is the first, so since it's not consuming anything or doing anything, it's 0. But in general, it looks quite solid. It has a gloss finish, so it will be either a fingerprint magnet or a dust magnet. You do need to have that nice cloth to clean it up. Shame that Cooler Master didn't actually place any of that inside the box. But regardless of that, I think it's still cool. It is really nice in terms of visual aspect, and it's a power supply. I know some of you guys will say it's just a power supply, but if you go with that point and you say it's just a power supply, then you most likely won't even consider going with a proper power supply for your PC. So I'm just giving an example that this is additional information that you can't find through software, right? This will give you information directly from the box, and that is really good. In those terms, yeah, looks kind of cool. So quickly with some other specs, we have active PFC. Mean time before failure is above 100,000 hours. Operating temperature from 0 to plus 50 degrees. It has USB protocol cable, which connects from the power supply to your USB 2.0. We have one ATX 24-pin cable. We have one EPS 4+4 and one EPS 8-pin cables, connectors. Then we have 12 SATA connectors, 6 times PCIe 6+2 pin connectors. Then we have 4 peripheral or Molex 4-pin connectors. The fan is 135 millimeters and it runs at maximum 1800 RPMs. The dimensions of the power supply are 160 times 150 times 86, which I would say is standard. Specifically, it's quite cool that it kept the size of 160 times 150 with the additional information display. So that's outstanding. It has surge and inrush protection. When we're talking about efficiency, 92% at typical load. Hold up time is equal or above 60 milliseconds. And noise level at 100% is 25 decibels. I think that's solid. I think that's quite solid. So in general, I'm just going to mention it again. This is an overview. I didn't give any benchmarks or anything similar to that. Just giving you an idea, because honestly, until it rocked up for presentation, I didn't even know it existed. Yeah, so just giving a word out a bit that this thing exists. It's quiet, and I can't confirm when we're talking about the full load, because as you can see, it's powered on my table, and that's a completely different story. But let's be honest, if it's 25 decibels and when you turn up your fans on GPU in the case, they will most likely go above 25 decibels. So this will definitely not be heard inside your chassis. So yeah, something new. Cooler Master XG850 Plus Platinum fully modular power supply. The link is in the description so you can check out more information, or if I manage to find it somewhere online for the shopping spree, you can click that link as well and check out the price. And that would be all for today, guys. Well, not for today, for right now. See you tonight with another cool video dropping quite shortly, actually. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.